Hello guys, my name is Roshan Nandurkar and you're watching my YouTube channel Java and Python Geek. So the next interview question, it may ask you in interview room, explain the difference between file input stream and file reader class, or how we can read a file, okay, in Java. So for that, we can use file input stream and file reader. These are two classes we can use to read a file, guys. Okay, and both the classes are coming from java.io package. Both the classes are coming from java.io package, guys. So both the classes are used to read a file, but the main difference is that file input stream can read binary file. File input stream can read binary file, and file reader can read only text file, guys. Okay, so both the classes are used to read file. Okay, but the difference is that file input stream can read binary file, like wave file, like audio file, like video file. Okay, this class can read, okay, only this class can read binary file as well as text file, guys. Okay, so but file reader class can read only text file, guys. Okay, so now uh, let's have one example, guys. So we will say PSVM, and now we want to read one file. So to read a file, we can use, okay, file inputs. So we will say file input stream, and we will say f in new file input stream, okay, and then I want to read one file. Like, let's say, guys, okay, I want, I will create a new file. Okay, like we will say nlt.txt. Okay, nlt.txt. This file I want to read, and in this file, let's say I write one content, some content. Okay, hello, okay, India, hello India. Okay, how are you? Okay, this content I want to read. Now, whenever we will save this file, okay, this file ends with -1 character. Every file, okay, uh, every file, okay, ends with -1. Okay, so this task performed by OS. Okay, so each file ends with -1 character. So now while reading that file, so first of all, okay, we will write the path of that file. So we will say, okay, I want to read this file, okay, from this location, and we will say nlt.txt, nlt.txt, and it can generate an exception. Hence we will say throws, okay, exception, okay, input output exception or file not found exception, it can generate case. So now, okay, so we are reading this file. Okay, we are going to read this file from this location, guys. So now we can say, okay, we will, first of all, we will safely close that file. So we will say close. Okay, and now we can say while, before that we will declare one variable integer c, and we will say while c is equals to f in dot read. Okay, f in dot read. Okay, in a bracket we will write, in this bracket, okay, f in dot read. Okay, it will read one by one character, guys. Okay, and we will say while not is equals to -1, now we will write, okay, we will write that, okay, c, okay, this is c, we will write here. Okay, on console we will write this c. Okay, now you will see, guys, on console you will see, okay, the ASCII code of, okay, this is the ASCII code of H. Okay, this is the ASCII code of P. This is the ASCII code, because we write hello NLT, no, hello India, okay, this is the ASCII code of space. Okay, this is the ASCII code of capital I, this is the ASCII code of N, D, I. Okay, ASCII code of small a. Okay, once again space we write there. Okay, so now you can see this, guys. Okay, hello India, how are you? Okay, so if we want to write this content, okay, if we want to write this content, okay, So where is our file? Okay. Okay. So if we write this content on console in the form of character, so we need to cast that integer code, okay, into character, guys. So we will say run file. You can see, guys, on console we will have hello India, something like that. Okay, so now we will remove this ln. So now we will see in a single line, guys. Okay, hello India, how are you? Okay, because every time, okay, we are turning, okay, character at new line, guys. Okay, so now we are moving character at new line, so that's why we will remove ln. Okay, so now, like, suppose, okay, this is the patorjk.com, guys. Okay, so now suppose we write nlt, okay, or hello, and like suppose we write India, guys. Okay, India, india, okay, okay, we will say india. Okay, so now this will write India, okay, in the form of, by using ASCII code, okay, it will write this. Okay, so now, okay, so we can change this, okay, in various font, guys. Okay, so alpha, okay, 3D digital, something like, okay, something like blocks. Okay, so like I want to write, okay, I want to read from this file. Okay, I want to write, I want to read this content from file, guys. Okay, so we'll write this content. Okay, so in nlt.txt, okay, we will write this content. Okay, so now India, guys. Okay, so now I will run this. Now you will see, guys. Okay, we are reading that content. Okay, India content, okay, from file, guys. Got it, guys? So now, okay, the difference in between file input stream and file reader is that, okay, one is used to read binary file, second one is used to read text. Or even this file input stream can read binary and text content. Okay, but file reader can read only text content, guys. This is all about file input stream and file reader class, guys. Okay, so if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, guys. Thank you.